Here x is a binomial distribution with 10 trials and a probability of success of 0.23. We want to find the probability that x is 3. This is going to be 10C3, 10 for the number of trials and 3 for the number of successes. We have 3 successes, so we have 0.23 to the power 3. The probability of failure will be 1 take away 0.23, which is 0.77, and with 3 successes we must have 7 failures. This calculates to give us 0.2343 to 4 decimal places. We now want the probability of x being less than 4. This is the same as x being less than or equal to 3. So the probability of x equals 0 plus the probability x equals 1 plus the probability x equals 2 plus the probability x equals 3. Note this is strictly a less than 4. We know this result from part A. For x equals 0, we have all failures, and therefore the probability must be the probability of failure 0.77 to the power 10. This gives us 0.0733. The probability of x being 1 is going to be 10C1. We have 1 success, 0.23 to the power 1, and 9 failures. If we calculate this, we get 0.2188. The probability of x being 2 will be 10C2, 2 successes, so 0.23 squared, and 8 failures. Calculating this gives 0.2942. So we now need to add the result from part A to these other results. So the probability of x being less than 4 is 0.0733 plus 0.2188 plus 0.2942 plus 0.2343. And this gives us 0.821 to 3 decimal places.